Alright, we're back. It's been, I don't know, almost a month? I know KG and Metal, we're really good at long breaks. So today we're going to go work on the end here. We're going to extend it out a little bit, make the frame just a little bit longer, and then we're going to put some 1-inch solid square inside there. Drill a hole through it, so then the pivot point here won't wear down as quickly. Now the reason why it's been about a month, because the old man here, and not my dad, me, sprained his back. And that really put a damper on everything, even video editing. Because sitting for long periods of time with a back injury is not very fun. That coupled with the sprained ankle a few months ago, insert picture here, it's been a slow few months. So please forgive. Forgive and forget. Let's go. Okay, here at our workstation, got a little extra piece of 1-inch tubing. I'm thinking we're going to cut maybe it into 1.5-inch sections. How long is this? Oh, yeah, so we'll do 1.5. And then here's our solid square. Let's see if I can get this to go in with one hand. Ta-da! So we'll cut off about the same of that, and then just weld her in place. There you have it. 2 freshly created pairs of steel. Beautiful, I know. So let's weld them on the frame. Okay, we've got them welded up, at least on one side. That should do though. Now we'll just grind off the edges, make sure it'll slide right in there, and then we're good to go. Whoa, let's fall over first. As you can see, oh, that's a hammer. I've got one in, one all tacked in. Solid end. Very nice. And then I'll find the second one here. Yep, it's around here somewhere. Stand by. Hilarious. I was sitting on it. Okay, so I'll lift a little bit on the end, so it'll be... So I lift a little bit on the end, so then it'll be easier to line up. So I'll go ahead and do that and get right back. Okay, remember that piece? Okay, so the one I just tacked on, and then I realized it would be easier to put them in the drill press and drill the holes first. Alright, I drilled the pilot holes, and now we're about to do the real thing. Wow. Take 2. Make sure the belts on the drill press are tight. Okay, and then we have a solid pivot point for the swing arm. 1. We still have another one to go. Nice. Okay. Seems to all be together now. Seems to be. What? Obviously, it's together now. I have to still tack the underside of the bar there, but other than that, let's take this off. It's a little bit back heavy, but you know what? I think that's probably the way I want it, right there. Could it be any messier in here? Okay, what's next? Either the roll bar, or I have another axle to put on. It's colorful. But yeah, that should be good for now. I'm gonna call it a day. And yeah, let's call it a day. Bye!